You are witnessing the undisputed caliph of cotton fiber since 300 years. North Republic presents Frettini, a clothing line derived from Giza cotton, the epitome of Egyptian cotton fiber. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and machinery, along with a dedicated and inspired workforce, we at North Republic weave the Giza cotton into the fashion statement of tomorrow. With 16 stitches per inch, a benchmark achieved by leading and renowned brands like Zara, CK and FCUK, we are spinning the yarn to create an authentic clothing line that embodies the forces of creativity and fashion. Because for us, there is no compromise on perfection. For us, there are no easy route towards precision. For us, there is only one goal: to achieve the highest standards and persistently sustain an unparalleled desire towards quality. We at North Republic do not care about anything else than experiencing the smile on your face when our clothes embrace your body and bring out your unique and innate charm. Discover Frettini from North Republic, a clothing line contemplated with patience and crafted meticulously to enchant one and all. Discover Frettini and invoke the sense of regal fashion within yourself.